Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing something truly special, the 2025 Honda Activa, the latest version of the scooter that's been ruling Indian streets for decades. If you've been waiting to see what Honda's brought to the table this time, you're in for a real treat. Let's dive right in. As we lift the cover, the design immediately stands out. Sleek, sharper body lines with modern curves, Honda has clearly given the Activa a futuristic facelift. The dual-tone finish, chrome touches, and LED headlamp setup scream premium, but still keep that signature Activa DNA. Now let's talk features. This new Activa is not just about looks, Honda has packed it with tech. It comes with a fully digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, real-time mileage display, and turn-by-turn navigation support. Yes, the king just got smarter. Under the seat, there's more storage space and a USB charging port, perfect for urban riders. And speaking of the seat, it's more spacious and comfortable, ideal for daily commutes or weekend rides. Moving to performance, Honda has upgraded the engine with enhanced fuel efficiency and a smoother throttle response. The refined Silent Start technology is back, and it's now more responsive than ever. Suspension and braking have also seen improvements. More stable, more secure, and definitely built for city traffic. Overall, the 2025 Honda Activa lives up to its reputation. Stylish, smart, reliable, this is the king of urban mobility redefined. So what do you think of the new Activa? Drop your thoughts in the comments, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. And as always, ride safe and stay curious.